The 3C SME accounts has been designed to support the activities of block factories as well as local manufacturers who produce products and sell it to customers. The software requires a username and password to access. And so I click on login. For this presentation, our username will be admin, our password will be admin. So I click login. Now, after login, you have access to the various functionalities provided by the software. The software has an inbuilt chart of accounts designed to support local manufacturers. A chart of accounts can be updated from time to time. And so under setup, you can see the chart of accounts and you see about 133 different items made available for local manufacturers. Available products can be created in the software using the product list module. And so I come under setup, create product or service. And here I can create products, available products. So the product is created. New stock can be entered into the software using the new stock module. And so I come under setup, record new stock. So I put in new stock. And here I can create a new stock for the block factory. I'm creating a new stock today, which is the 20th of August. I'm interested in block 5 inches block. The stock available currently is 500. The selling price, let's say 8 cedis. And so here we can describe the 5 inches block. I click save and it is done. And so if I come into my product list, I can see block factory showing the quantity available. To block, I can see block 5 inches showing the quantity and the price. Now, when a customer makes a request, an invoice will be created showing the products and quantities requested. And so here I come under invoice and I say create customer invoice. And so today a customer came around and the customer is interested in the blocks. So let's say the customer is Ama Bini. Ama Bini comes in, Ama is interested in the 5 inches blocks. The unit price is 8. And here we've made it flexible to allow you to change pricing at any time. Ama is interested in 200. She wants about 200 blocks. I click add, and then you see that you see the invoice date, you see the customer ID, you see the block, the description, the cost, the quantity, and then the line total. Assuming Ama decides to buy different items, it will all be listed here. And after we've listed all the items interested and that Ama is interested, we then click save and an invoice is created for Ama. An invoice is created for Ama. Invoice payment can be recorded using the invoice payment module. And so here we have record invoice payment. So I come here and I click invoice payment. Amma is paying for that invoice payment. Let's assume she's paying cash. The invoice is attached to Amma buying. So I click on Amma buying, and immediately you will see the invoice, the ID of the customer, and then the invoice number. Amma pays for the product. Let's assume Amma decides to pay some of it. So Amma comes in to pay, let's say 500 cedis, and here it is 500 cedis only. So here is it being cost of blocks purchase. So let's say 5 inches blocks purchase, something of this nature. We click on add, and then we click on save. So that transaction has been recorded. Now we can give Amma a receipt. We can decide to give Amma a receipt. And here we come in here and select Amma, and immediately a receipt can be generated for Amma. So 500 is what she paid, and a receipt is generated for Amma. Very straightforward, very simple, and you can see everything going on smoothly. Now, from time to time, you want to generate your income and expenditure, and also your trial balance. So let me generate the trial balance. I come in here and I click on trial balance. I want to know what happened today. So I select from today to today. Now, every payment we record automatically hits the accounting engine. And so you see that if you look at transaction that happened today, we have 1,600 that came in, that was purchased, and out of that 500 was redeemed. 500 was redeemed, and so you see the product was created, the stock was added, a customer came and requested for some quantities, and the quantities were sold to the customer. And the moment the amount was recorded, it hits our accounting engine, and so we can see the transaction happening in our system. And that is how simple and straightforward our block factory or local manufacturers software can help almost everybody in the market. The software can also enable credit sales, and so we can sell to people, and they will pay in installments. And so just as you saw, Amma was supposed to pay 1,600. She paid 500, and we can track that payment until Amma finishes completely. Now the software runs online. So the manager can always manage the activities of his company from anywhere, and especially the vouchers. The local team prepares vouchers, and the manager will have to approve the vouchers before the local team can actually make some expenses on the ground. And here um, we come under accounts. You have the vouchers which can be prepared here. Prepare the voucher. You can generate a voucher for signing if if you want to sign, or you can approve the voucher electronically. And after the voucher has been approved, now you can record an expense. You can record an expense. Now the software has a security layer, and that ensures that only authorized users can access available features and data. And so when the software is set up, the username and passwords are given to the local users, and they can log in and then operate within a secure environment. The passwords are all encrypted. The passwords are encrypted, and so um, um, if you don't share your password with anybody, nobody can access your information. This product is from the 3C Technologies Limited, your software partner. And so it was developed locally and can be upgraded at all times. And so after you use the software for some time, if you request for further features, other features that you want to add, we can safely create the features for you. And so we can grow with your company as much as possible. Thank you. Thank you for your attention.